morning, sir.
Yeah, very good morning. Can you have our profile, please?
Yes, sir.
Okay, your name is Tulasi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
My name is Tulasi. I am from Visakhapatnam, but currently staying in Hyderabad. I had completed my graduation in the stream of CSC from SVP Engineering College, Visakhapatnam. Coming to my technical skills, I have a good knowledge on Java, SQL, HTML, CSS, and manual testing. And my short-term goal to get a job in a reputed company in where I can grow my skills, and my long-term goal to see myself as a backbone of my organization. And my hobbies are cooking and gardening. That's all about me, sir.
Yeah. Okay, Tulasi, you got knowledge on Java.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Full stack Java or core Java?
Core Java, sir.
Yeah. Okay, Tulasi. Yeah. What is meant by Java?
Java is a object-oriented programming language, and it is used to develop the applications like web-based applications, desktop applications, process-based applications.
Is an partially object-oriented programming or fully object-oriented?
Partially object-oriented programming.
Yeah. Why you are telling me partially?
Why? Because Java supports primitive data types. That's why it is not a fully object-oriented programming like.
Okay. What is meant by inheritance?
Inheritance means one class acquires the properties of another class is called inheritance.
Okay. How many type of inheritance are
There is a 5 types of inheritance: single level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, hybrid inheritance, and multiple inheritance.
What is meant by multiple inheritance?
Multiple inheritance means there is one child class and 2 parent classes. In classes concept, multiple inheritance is not supported, sir, because of ambiguity problem.
Okay, in Java, a class can be extend only one class at a time or multiple class at a time.
Multiple classes.
Multiple classes at a time. You can extend the multiple classes or only one class.
One class we can extend.
Only we can extend the one class.
Yes,
That's why
sir.
multiple inheritance are not supported.
No, sir. Why? Because means there is a 2 parent classes and 1 child class. If we write show method on parent classes, same method is there in those parent classes. If we call those method from child class, JVM will confuse which class method have to be executed. That means the situation is called ambiguity situations.
Okay, by interfaces.
Interface is a keyword in Java. It is used to create the interfaces. Interfaces, all the variables are static and finals, and all the methods are abstract by default. But we can write normal methods also from JV 1.8 version. This is we can get 100% multiple inheritance also. So.
Okay, what is meant by marker interfaces?
Marker interface means empty interface. There is no any variables or methods, and if we implement that marker interface, JVM will provide some special features to the marker interface.
Okay, in that core Java, some concept is there like collections topic.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, what is the main difference between collection versus collections? Is there any differences?
Yes, sir. Collection is the interface and collections is a class. Utility methods are there in collections class. It is used to perform some operations on collection object. In collection interface, there is some multiple classes and methods is there. So.
Okay, what are the difference between main list and setter?
List and set. List is a child class of collection interface. It implements random access and duplicate elements and preserves insertion order. But in set, the duplicate elements and it also preserves insertion order.
Okay, okay, good, Tulasi. What is meant by inner classes?
Inner classes means one class we are writing another class is called inner classes.
How many type of inner classes?
There are 3 types of inner classes: normal inner classes and method local inner classes and anonymous inner classes.
Yeah, so could you explain one by one?
In one class, we are writing another class not in method is called normal inner classes. Method local inner classes means if you write one class inside method, we are writing another class is called method local inner classes. Anonymous inner classes means there is no name for class is called anonymous class.
Okay, what are the main difference between exception and error?
Exception and
Error.
Resolved, but errors can't be resolved. JVM there is no idea, no error. That's also.
Okay, that's enough. When the exception will be raising, according to our mistake or system mistake.
Both,
So
sir. There is the two types of exceptions: checked exceptions and unchecked exceptions. Checked exceptions means the exceptions which are checked by the compiler is called checked exceptions. The exceptions which are not checked by the compiler is called unchecked exceptions.
yeah, what is meant by arrays and what are the drawbacks of arrays? How many type of arrays are available in Java?
Okay, sir. Array is a collection of elements of similar data type in a continuous block of memory. There are two types of array: static array and dynamic array. Static array means when the array is created, we have to give the size of an array is called static array. Dynamic array means we're directly giving the values is called dynamic array. Drawbacks of array means arrays allows only heterogeneous data, but it doesn't allow homogeneous data, and we should know the size of the array before itself, and there is no method support also. So
Good Tulsi, what is meant by abstraction?
adding the implementation data and display the essential features to the user is called abstractions.
Major difference between string versus string buffer.
String means it is a predefined class in Java and it is immutable in nature, and string buffer is mutable in nature. In string, there is a equals method. It is used to compare the content of the strings, and in string buffer, there is a equals method which is inherited from the object class, and it is used to refer the of the two strings.
Okay, in that string c dot equals method content comparison.
Yes, sir. In
String
string
buffer is
buffer
an
is reference
reference
comparison.
number.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay, good. Tulsi. So simple way in that collection, how many type of cursors are available? Yeah, could you please explain one by one in
Yes,
briefly?
sir. There is a three courses in collections topic, sir. One is enumeration, iterator, and list iterator. Enumeration is only for legacy classes, and it is a bidirectional cursor, sir. Interfaces, list interfaces, implementing classes, and it cursor. And we can, sir, we can read the data, remove the data, and we can add the data. And iterator is a bidirectional. It is also unidirectional. We can only read and remove the data. An object for enumeration. Help of iterator method, we can create the iterator object. Help of list iterator method, we can create the object for list iterator cursors.
What is meant by package?
Predefined classes and interfaces.
How many type of some packages are
Yes,
available in Java?
two types of packages. So the predefined packages and user-defined packages. Predefined package means the packages which are created by the Sun Microsystems. They are all predefined classes and predefined interfaces. User-defined packages means the packages which are created by the programmers like us. In that packages, all are different classes and user-defined interfaces.
What is a constructor and how many type of constructors are available in Java?
Constructor is used to initialize the objects, and constructor name should be same as the class name. There is a two types of constructor: default constructor and parameterized constructor. Default constructor means the constructor which doesn't have any input parameters is called default constructor. Parameterized constructor means the constructor is having any input parameter is called constructor.
What is the main difference between overloading and overriding?
Overriding means one in a class, two or more methods having same name but they're different in input parameters is called overloading. The functionality of parent class method in child class is called overriding. Overloading is performed within one class, but overriding is performed with two classes with inheritance relationship. That's all.
In what type of modifiers are applicable for constructors?
Public and default, sir.
Only two type of
Yes, sir.
modifiers are applicable for constructors.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So explain about some features of Java.
12 features of Java. So simple, object oriented, platform independent, robust and interpreted, portable, dynamic, and
Yeah. What is meant by robust? Why you are Java calling as a robust?
okay. Robust means strong, sir, because Java is a strong, it is using strong memory management, sir.
That's why you are telling the Java is
Java
on
is,
strong.
yes.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. What is meant by abstract classes?
it is declared as abstract. It is called abstract method. In abstract method, it is not by we can write abstract method and non-abstract methods also in abstract class.
What is the main use of abstract class?
uh, it
Then what the type of benefit we are missing?
a code reusability, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So you have to write the. So here first my first programming experiment is an. So to okay, you have to take the one string. You're taking the one string.
Okay.
That in that string some vowels and consonants are there.
Yes,
So you
sir.
have to print the vowels and consonants of a string.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
I'm writing programming for printing the vowels and consonants. First, we have to take the one class. Uh, I'm creating main method. I'm taking one string. I'm taking two variables. For one is for consonants and one is for vowels. This caret method is used for referring the index of the string. Firstly, I am printing the vowels. Vowels are the IOU. The output of this program is vowels count is 6 and consonants count is 7. That's all.